I just can't believe we just got robbed. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel. So good to see you. So today we are doing a few updates slash mini renovations to our living room. We've lived in this townhome for about 1.5 years now, and it's time to make some updates. Alex is in the back. Alex, what are you doing?
I'm trying to hide this ottoman.
Trying to hide the ottoman that got delivered already. So we are adding an ottoman to our couch. We went shopping yesterday. We got some new things at Home Goods. It's that good. He's trying to hide it. Don't break. We're gonna go through everything later in the video and show you what we got. And then today we are doing some more shopping. But before we get into any of that, we wanted to jump into today's video sponsor, Surfshark. So you might be wondering what Surfshark is. So Surfshark is a VPN. Well, you might be wondering what a VPN is. A VPN is a virtual private network, and basically a VPN encrypts your data and masks your IP address while you're online. In other words, it keeps you safe and secure when you're on the internet. In addition to keeping you safe when you're online, there are a few other tricks you can utilize by using the Surfshark VPN. Here's a perfect example. So Alex and I love to watch The Office. However, The Office is not on Netflix USA. It is available on Netflix UK. So with the VPN, we can set our location or our IP address to show that we're based in the UK. And then when we log into Netflix, we now have access to the Netflix shows, the Netflix library, and The Office. And speaking of the UK, as you probably know by now, we love to travel, which is another area where Surfshark comes in handy. When we're traveling, we are accessing a lot of random Wi-Fi networks, and a lot of data is being shared. And as we mentioned earlier, we know we're safe and secure because it's all encrypted and our IP addresses are masked and secure. So now that we've shared our little secret with you, we encourage you to check out Surfshark's website and see for yourself. And lucky for you, with our code Carter and Alex, you can get an extra 3 months for free of Surfshark. And Surfshark has a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's absolutely no risk at all to try it out. You can find the link to the Surfshark website below in the description. Now let's get back to the video.
All right, guys, so obviously the living room is just a big open shared space with the kitchen and the dining room, but we are gonna focus today on the living room. So really quick, we're just gonna do a quick walkthrough so you guys can see what it looks like now, and then we'll show you the afterwards. Before we go out to the store, we're gonna just put the ottoman by the couch, and we both just realized that if you come closer, you'll see. Here, let's move this over here. But we realized that this is like a lot wider than our couch because we've obviously had this for like 1 year. So what we gotta do is take all of these off, and we're gonna throw them in the wash so that way they're clean by the time we get back to do all the remodeling.
Remodeling, aka putting a plant on the table.
Not remodeling, redecorating.
So we just threw those covers in the wash. Hopefully they'd come out whiter.
Yeah, we added some bleach, so
yeah,
hopefully
bleach. Now it's finally time to go to the store.
We also realized that
I need a lint roller.
Those cushions were a lot shorter, like they're not as full, so we're gonna
look for some feathers.
Some feathers to like fluff them up a little bit.
But I feel like we've been trying to get to this damn store all day. We've had to pick up the dogs, go to the car shop. It's finally time.
Yes, are you coming with us?
Let's go. Yeah. Oh no, that's it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Today is the first day of, you know what?
Tell him.
Pumpkin.
August 24th, and Starbucks has their fall flavors, and we just came here to get them, and they are out of cold brew, so we're gonna go drive our car off a cliff. So that's it. Back to our regularly scheduled program. Oh my gosh, we made it.
We're finally here.
Yes. Okay, let's see what we can find. We were here yesterday. We're on the mission for some pillows
and a blankie. Throw a blankie. Why is it called the throw blanket?
I don't know.
It might throw it on the couch.
Yeah. It might seem like a simple task to find pillows, but
don't find ones that match.
Don't be fooled. It's not.
No siree.
Okay, here we go. Whew.
Distracted by the candles.
What? Oh yeah. Are you talking to yourself?
To you.
Don't get distracted by the candles, Carter.
Do you know where the pills are?
Yeah, they're back here. To the pillows.
Pillows. We're gonna paint. Actually, we're gonna do a black painting in the back of the couch. So we want it to match. And then I'm thinking we need like some rectangle ones to match.
Alex is still looking for pillows. We got this blanket. This rectangle situation. What? I like this one. Woo. Let's go this way.
Okay.
Come on.
Nice walk. Comfort test. You got it?
Alright, we ended up spending way more than we wanted to, but we got what we needed, and now we're gonna go to Michael's to look for
a
plant and some feathers to stuff our pillows. So let's go. Alright, we're at Michael's. Alex just ran inside. A really nasty storm popped up, so we're just gonna wait for him. Then we're gonna head home and start piecing together the living room and the decor that we got and go from there. So we'll see you at home. As you know, we just got home and a delivery driver from Amazon came to our door with a package and was like, hey, by the way, I think someone just went into your garage and took something out of your car. It's 5 o'clock on like a Thursday and someone went into our garage, went into the car and tried to take something.
If I got my hands on that person, I would
paint
do
them?
Something.
Literally, what the hell?
How does that happen like during the daytime, literally? Like we're at home, our door is open, and our garage door is open. Somebody like is literally feet away from us, like robbing our car.
I don't know. We texted the neighbors to get the security footage and they just sent it to us. So
lesson is lock your car and your garage.
Yeah.
Even if you're home, because these people are bold. They'll run into your garage.
It was literally 5 minutes. I just can't believe we just got robbed. But anyways, we're here. We're back to what we were doing. Alex is sewing, or he is stuffing our cushions with.
Today we're painting, we're sewing.
You are painting, you're sewing. He's stuffing our cushions with cotton and sewing them back together so they're basically like new and as fluffy as the new ottoman piece that we got.
Because it's literally like a couple inches taller, so.
Yeah, it's like taller. So he's doing that and I'm just cheerleading. I was doing some work on the computer, but that's what's going on. So we're here with the puppies again. We can add seamstress to your resume. Oh no.
I'm not that good at this.
Oh no.
But we're gonna make it.
Finley, you helping? Remy, you're such a hog. Finley. This is our first babies. Alright, well, we're gonna continue working on this. And here's the painting that he did. We gotta get to work. Yeah, I got roped into this sewing. So I'm channeling my inner grandma.
Alright, I got the sheet, what are these called? I got the covers, so let's put these on. Is there an easier way to do this? And then we just gotta like sit on it.
Yes.
Now that's a pillow, guys.
Last one. Whoa!
We did it. Ooh, that is nice.
Okay.
All that hard work paid off.
Alright, time to do everything else. We still have all these bags. Okay, we're finally done moving everything around.
Finally, it took us the whole day, but we're finally finished.
Yeah.
I'm tired because it's already late. We
gotta pack for a trip in the morning, but the living room is...
I'm very proud of it.
Updated.
Looks fresh.
So let's show them.
You guys ready to see it?
We smell.
Yeah, Yeah.
I smell.
They're
Almost.
Finally done.
Yeah, we're tired. That was a long day.
We decided to do this all in one day, so it was kind of a lot.
Yeah, I think the sewing and stuffing the pillows with stuff really.
Yeah, the painting and all of the tedious work.
Yeah.
Well, and we do want to apologize for the lighting in here. We're gonna work like this. Our next step is to like get better lighting. Hopefully install it in the ceilings or maybe get more lamps.
Yeah, in the house it's just like a cave, but it is what it is.
Hopefully you can still see the living room and see what we did. But
yeah. So anyways, we have to pack. We're going to DC in the morning. We're going to see some family. We haven't even started packing, so we're gonna go do that. But hope you guys enjoyed the video, the decorations.
Yes. And our next project will probably be our bedroom, hopefully. Yeah, thanks for watching. If you like these projects, let us know in the comments and we'll make more videos like this. We do have a lot of other places in our house that we want to redecorate, so. Yeah. And we love doing it.
Yes, we do. But that's all for now on this episode of
Carter and Alex.
Yeah, we are gonna eat dinner and pack, so we'll see you next time.
Bye. Thank you guys.